Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker GMBL or Esports Entertainment. So I've never looked at this ticker before, but I did see it was trending, so I thought I would take a look and see what's going on. So looking at the chart, I have the weekly pulled up just to get a longer term view of what's been going on here, and it's pretty rough. Looking at all the earnings here, they haven't had a quarter with a positive EPS yet. You can see they lost 57 cents a share here, 73 cents a share. Some big losses coming in here, $2.80, $1.53, $2.11. The last few quarters that are showing up here in TD Ameritrade are a little better, only showing a loss of 10 cents. But then we've got some missing information here. So it shows that they're supposed to be releasing earnings here on September 28th. But we are missing data here for a few quarters, so we'll kind of see if we actually get this quarter's earnings info showing up here because we're missing a few. So I decided to go into Yahoo Finance here and kind of take a look at some of the financials, and it is pretty ugly. Based on the most recent quarter, we've got a negative book value per share, and I was actually looking through some of their SEC filings, and you can just see net loss after net loss after net loss after net loss, and they continue to just have negative stockholder equity. And then I was also looking at, let's see here, under the financials, I was looking at the cash flow statement, and year over year, it's just, negative operating cash flow. You can see at the end, June 30th of 2020, they had operating cash flow of negative 2.2 million, and then here ending the quarter June 30th, 2021, that increased to negative 18.8 million, and then for 2022, we see negative 21 million. So definitely heading in the wrong direction there as far as the operating cash flow goes. So yeah, just kind of looking at it here. Not really impressed with the financials. I did see the gross profit here. If we dig into the quarterly, the gross profit is actually over the last 4 quarters is actually heading in the wrong direction. So you can see June 30th, 2022, they had a gross profit of 6.7 million, but then the next quarter it dropped to 5.8 million. Next quarter, 4 million. Next quarter, 2.8 million. So heading in the wrong direction when we look at gross profit as well. So honestly, overall, I'm not impressed here. This company is really struggling a lot financially, and that's typically what you'll see when you see a chart like this, where there's some kind of a crazy pump, and then there's just a big bleed out. Typically you come in and look at the financials, and you're going to kind of see cash flow statements, balance sheets, and income statements that kind of look like this. So to me, this looks like a good short candidate. I am bearish until they can start to actually turn this gross profit in the right direction, and until I see something a little better here in the cash flow statement as well, especially year over year. This is really going in the wrong direction. If we dig into the quarterly, this one actually looked to be improving a little bit. You can see at the end of June 30th, 2022, the operating cash flow was negative 6.9 million. Then it drops to negative 4.5, 3.9, 2.9. So this line actually here is kind of trending in the right direction, but a lot of the other ones definitely not going in the right direction. So, I'd like to see them turn things around significantly financially and start to head towards, hopefully one day some type of positive stockholder equity. But I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker GMBL or Esports Entertainment. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.